If you're only using Claude to ask questions, you're only using about 15% of what it can actually do. There are 6 features. 4 are different ways to use Claude. 2 are upgrades that make those 4 way more powerful. Now, 99% of people have never heard of most of them, and I built a $10 million business on these 6. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to start with to grow your business. Number 1, Claude Chat. This is where most people start. You open Claude, you send a message, you get a reply. Same conversations on your laptop, your phone, and any browser. Now, if this is the only Claude you've ever used, no problem. Chat is the layer everything else builds on top of, but it's also just the entry point into the Claude universe. The next 5 features are where Claude actually starts doing work for you. Chat is best for back and forth stuff, drafting copy, doing research, working through an idea before you commit to it. So for me, it's where strategy happens. I might spend an hour bouncing things off Claude. I'll stress test a campaign angle. I might prep for a call with my ops lead. I'll work through a pricing decision before I commit. Now, if you're brand new to Claude, start here with Chat. And if you've been using it for a while, the interesting stuff starts next. Number 2, Claude Cowork. Now, if you poked around AI tools beyond ChatGPT, you might have come across this one. Most people haven't. Cowork has fundamentally changed how I run my business. It's the AI tool I use most. And here's what it actually is. So Cowork is a desktop app, and it runs on your actual computer, your Mac or your Windows machine. And because it lives there, it can read every file you have, edit them, save new ones, run tasks across them. So you give it a task and it does the task. So this is completely different from Chat. So you're not having a conversation anymore, you are delegating work. And Cowork takes the task and runs it across your files, your apps, your tools, and that's just the start. It's built for everyone who isn't a developer, and which, let's be honest, is most of us. And if you ever wished AI would just do the thing for you instead of telling you how to do it yourself, well, that's Cowork. Think of it as an employee that works around the clock and does whatever you ask it. Now, in my business, for 3 years, that employee was me, myself, and I. The operator at 11 p.m. reviewing every email, every campaign, every line of copy. Now, Cowork does it while I sleep. A couple of examples of what mine does. So every morning before I'm out of bed, Cowork sweeps across my 2 businesses. It pulls my Meta ads performance, checks yesterday's Instagram engagement, looks at Klaviyo opens and clicks, pulls organic product sales, reads our Circle community for new comments and activity. Then it goes through ClickUp and Slack and lays out my day. Now that's pretty impressive, right? Another one. So every Monday, I would send a value email to my list and I would draft it in Claude. Now Claude then pushes it out to our team's Notion. The team reviews the email and then Cowork sends the approved version to Klaviyo. Klaviyo is basically our email sending software, and Klaviyo schedules and sends it to my subscribers. And the next morning, Claude tells me how that email performed. Now, the point is, use Cowork whenever you need Claude to actually do something on your computer, instead of just talking about it. Now, number 3 is Dispatch. So if you've been paying attention to AI news the last few weeks, this one's probably already on your radar. And here's how it works. You give Claude a task from your phone. Claude runs that task on your desktop at home. Then it sends the finished result back to your phone. And you can do this from anywhere, your car, picking up kids from school, between meetings. The key thing here is that this isn't just chatting from your phone. Claude is actually working across the files and apps sitting on your desktop. And you are steering all of this remotely. And it's one continuous conversation. So for me, this means I get work done in the gaps. So for example, I'd go for a walk along the beach here in Portugal and tell Claude to write and edit a carousel for my Instagram. And by the time I'm back, the whole carousel is done, not just written, designed. And to be honest, not just one carousel, I would have Claude do up to 10 of them in one sitting. Number 4, Claude Code. So far we talked about thinking, getting work done, and delegating from your phone. This one is about building software, plugins, dashboards, and more. Claude Code runs inside your terminal if you're technical, or as a cloud app on your desktop if you're not. The interface is quite similar to Cowork. You describe what you want, and Claude figures out how to build it. The difference between this and Cowork is that Cowork manages your existing tools and files. Now, Code actually generates new software. We are talking writing code from scratch, debugging it, running tests, giving you back a fully working application, dashboard, or Claude plugin. Now, if your reaction is, this isn't for me, I can't code, that's exactly what I thought as well. So with Claude Code, you don't have to. You don't have to be technical. You don't have to know how to code. So for example, I shipped our lead magnet plugin last week using nothing but code. Fully functional, ready to sell to our customers. And I haven't written a line of code ever. So that's not something that I'm good at. So if you can describe the software, the tool that you want, Code will build it for you. Now, those are the 4 core ways to use Claude, but the last 2 on the list aren't features on their own. They are upgrades that sit on top of everything I've shown you already, and make the first 4 way more powerful than what they already are. Number 5, plugins. The easiest way to picture and understand plugins is like Claude having its own app store, and plugins are the apps. A plugin is a bundle of tools and instructions pre-built for you. So you install one, and Claude can suddenly do whatever that plugin does. They run inside Cowork and Code, and there are 2 ways to get plugins. You install them from Claude's plugin catalog, or you build your own. So in our company, we build our own. So for example, we have a plugin that builds our carousels for Instagram. We have one that creates static posts. We have one that produces our reels, one that drafts our sales pages. We have one that produces our ads, and then one that runs our entire marketing campaigns. And this is how we replaced our entire $25,000 a month marketing team. So if you want to see exactly how we wired all of this together, I recorded a free Claude Cowork class where I walk you through every single plugin and every workflow, and I show you how we made it happen. So link in the description below. Number 6 is skills. This is the one I get the most out of. So here's the difference between a plugin and a skill. A plugin is the full app. Tools, connections, instructions, all bundled inside Claude. A skill is just the instructions, a folder with your rules written inside. A plugin gives Claude new capabilities. A skill teaches Claude how to use them your way, every time without winging it. So take, for example, an Instagram carousel that we put out yesterday. So the Instagram plugin built the whole thing, but the brand voice skill inside the plugin is what makes the word sound like me, Darius, not like AI. So skills are universal. Same one works in chat, Cowork, Code. Build it once and it applies everywhere. I have 50 plus skills running across my business. One holds my brand voice, another holds our pricing rules, and the third one knows our team and knows who handles what. And the rule is simple here. Anything you do with Claude repeatedly, write the instructions once and forget it. So quick recap. Chat is for conversations and thinking. Cowork for actual work on your machine. Dispatch is for delegating from your phone. Code is for building software from scratch. Plugins are the apps that extend what Claude can do, and skills are the instructions that teach Claude how you want things done. So figure out which one matches what's on your plate right now and start playing with Claude. So you don't need to master all 6 tomorrow, but just knowing they exist puts you ahead of 99% of people using Claude. So subscribe to my channel as I'm walking through each of these features in the upcoming videos. See you in the next one.